Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to install and set up the application on the Android phone for your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro headphones. So actually, at first we need to go to Play Store. Search again to enter the search bar. Now search for the SOUNDCORE, the name of the company, not SOUNDCORE, as you can see here, SOUNDCORE. Tap search, and now the second, maybe first, it depends on your sponsored results. If you don't have any sponsored results, the first application that should pop up is SOUNDCORE from Anker. Tap it, and to verify that this is the correct application, you have to have here minimum of 10 million downloads. As for the 6th of December 2025, you do have the 10 million downloads and minimum of the 100k reviews. After this time, like after the 6th of December, everything can change. Depends on when you watch this video, but actually this application has to have minimum of these values. Tap the install button to install this application, and you can select auto open when ready. Of course, remember, you don't have to be paired with these headphones before. Of course, this makes the process easier, but you will be guided in a moment by me, of course. Now our application is installed, and I've checked that this application has to open by itself. It didn't work, so we have to tap open. Tap agree and continue, and now open the case and hold this button for 3 seconds. Once done, you can tap skip the process of logging to the account, and now with cancel, don't allow to send notifications. Here, as you can see, we have the display over the applications. Search for the SOUNDCORE. This has to be somewhere here. Tap it. Oh, allow. Now go back, tap add device, allow, and now our SOUNDCORE application, even though that we aren't paired, should find our device. Now we have to tap our device right here. And now, as you can see, these lights that are emitting and that are white and just flashing, it means that we are in the pairing mode. Now, as you can see, the process of the pairing is here. We have to tap it again if application didn't recognize the tap, and we should be prompted to pair our headphones with the phone. As you can see, it doesn't work. I don't know why. So tap Bluetooth pairing device. Just maybe have your headphones paired. I don't know why. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. Just to make sure, I'll pair my headphones. Now let's go back to SOUNDCORE, tap my headphones back again, and now it does work. Usually it doesn't have to be paired, but if it doesn't work for you, pair your headphones before. Now, as you can see, we have some wearing instructions, press control instructions, and neckband removal guide. Here, got it, and now as you can see, here we are. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.